West Bank fully integrates Zelle for fast, free person-to-person transfers directly in its mobile app or online banking. Linking means enrolling Zelle with your eligible US bank checking or savings account. No standalone Zelle app needed since 2025. Enrollment steps: mobile app recommended. Download, open the US Bank mobile app and log in. Go to Transfer and Pay. Send money with Zelle or search Zelle. Tap Get Started or Enroll. Select a US mobile number or email address. Others will use this to send you money. Enter the one-time verification code sent via text, email. Choose your eligible deposit account for receiving funds. Accept terms. Complete enrollment via online banking. Log in at usbank.com. Navigate to Transfer and Pay. Send and request money with Zelle. Enroll. Follow the same prompts.